Good morning, all of you wonderful studio artists online. I'm your host, Mr. Grantling, coming to you live from, actually this is North St. Paul High School, so North High School. But I'm here for you today. Let's get charged up and dig into artist logs. So when you click on the artist logs link, you're going to be taken to this screen here, and this has a list of all 10 of the artists that you're going to learn about during this trimester. And they're all drawers, excellent drawers. Here we actually have the assignment. Now it's kind of a tricky assignment in that like you start the assignment and then you add to it each time. So let me show you or demonstrate how to do this assignment. So we're going to click into the assignment here, and I'm just going to pull this up in a new page. And so here inside of the document we actually have all the same links that we did earlier. And what you can do is you can look at the video link, and then there's a website link to their artwork as well. So the first thing we'll do is watch their video, and so you'll click on the video, watch the video. I'll come up in a different window, and then you're going to describe what does the art look like, and describe how the artist makes their work. What are the tools and methods, right? Then you go to the interpret. What is the meaning behind their work? Maybe it might be something personal, like this is their way of dealing with life as it comes at them. Maybe there's a deeper like philosophical thing, like it's about their struggle with their grandfather who had schizophrenia or something like that. That's one of them. And then we go to the apply section. So anytime we look at an artwork, we want to think about how can we use this artwork and this artist and the things that they do and the way they perceive the world in our own artwork. And so just jot down 3 quick little things that you could apply to your own art making that you want to do it. And then you're going to go to the website link, and you're going to find a picture of their art. You're going to copy and then paste into the picture here. And there you go. You can also do a Google search if you want to, but sometimes Google searches bring up artwork that's not really theirs, or it might just be a picture of them. So, but you can try it. Anyway, this is going to be a fun thing that will go throughout the year, and when you're done with this, you're not going to submit it right away. Okay, we're going to submit all of these together at the end of the trimester, so November 18th. So this document is going to be ongoing at different times in the trimester. I'm going to look through and just kind of update your grades based on how many you have done. So when you start working on this, I can actually see your progress as you go. And so about 2 weeks in, I'll make my first mark on this, and then like every week or every 2 weeks after that, I'll be checking on these. And then if I'm noticing that you're falling behind, I'll let you know, hey, I need to see more of these artist logs being done. Now this whole assignment, all 10 artist logs, 50 points, goes into your summative category. So it's a big project for you that we do all year. But if you work on it a little bit each day, probably like 10 minutes, piece of cake. Or 10 minutes a week, piece of cake. All right, enjoy this, and I hope you learned something new about some artists. And all of these artists come from Minnesota, which is also kind of cool. All right, have a great day.